Cyprus Public Transport rolled out a fleet of 5 new Chinese-made electric buses on Tuesday to offer cleaner, greener transit options on the Mediterranean island. The battery-powered single-deck vehicles were built by Chinese automaker Yutong.
We want to promote sustainable mobility, and having electric buses is a priority for us. We are bringing these 5 new electric buses from Yutong, which are very robust, reliable, and very accommodated for Cyprus roads.
With a length of 12 meters and a capacity of 85 passengers, these single-deck vehicles are equipped with USB chargers and provide 5G internet connectivity.
It's a milestone because having electric buses running around the city is one step forward towards our mission to reach zero carbon in 2050. We will be ordering more and more buses, and they will be electric because we know that our people will appreciate this, and we hope they will engage with it and ride them more and more.